In this video, we'll take a look at MrBeast's channel around the time he uploaded his 100th video and reveal his YouTube secrets along the way. His first video in this era is one titled How Much Money Does Pewdiepie Make and was uploaded on January 11, 2014. This video performed well as it piggybacked off PewDiePie's success and attracted his fans to MrBeast's channel. On top of that, it also likely brought in a lot of views from anyone interested in trying to figure out how to make money on YouTube. At that time, PewDiePie was the top channel on YouTube with 20 million subscribers and getting a lot of attention from the mainstream media. So, anyone that reading a story about PewDiePie might have been recommended MrBeast's video as well. He gives an estimate that PewDiePie was making around $13,000 to $14,000 from his over 6 million views a day. Another important note is that back then, PewDiePie was uploading a video every day. So, if you're not getting enough views or subscribers, consider uploading more often. If your channel isn't big enough to collaborate with a big YouTuber, then consider doing the next best thing. Make a video about them. In another video, MrBeast plays Minecraft for 25 minutes and ends up being one of his last Minecraft videos he uploads to the channel. He probably noticed he got a lot more views from PewDiePie, so began to pivot his channel. There is a funny moment in the Minecraft video, where he puts signs around another player's chest, showing his unique sense of humor.
I don't get it. Here, let's... Wait, does that mean he hates signs? Or just, like, you can't write a message if I just put... I don't know. Oh well, he says he hates it, so let's just put some signs in his chest. Why not? Let's make 6. And, there we go. Let's spread them out. I wonder if he'll even notice.
On January 19, 2014, MrBeast finally uploaded his 100th video. A year earlier he started the YouTube grind, so he basically uploaded 100 videos in a year. He explains that he gained 730 subscribers that brought in 80,000 views. So the most important lesson from this is to be consistent with uploading. Don't get distracted and stay focused. The more videos you upload, the greater chances of succeeding. It's that simple. In another video he talks about people that spam on YouTube and advises people not to do it and that it doesn't work. His advice is to spend the time you would take spamming videos and instead make good videos and you'll get more subscribers. MrBeast makes another PewDiePie video, this time using a clickbait title and thumbnail with a title that says "I hate PewDiePie." In the video he explains he doesn't really hate Pewdiepie, but made the video as an experiment to see if it would get views. It must have worked as the video currently has over 2.7 million views. Most of his remaining videos during this time frame either talk about other popular YouTubers or his own channel and how much money they make. You can tell that he likely spent a lot of time studying videos on other channels to see what was working as well as making a mental note of current trends. Which brings me to another important point. You need to get somewhat immersed in YouTube to be able to upload videos that take advantage of popular topics and trends. If you're burnt out from uploading, take a break and study other channels to get ideas. One of my favorite videos in this playlist is one titled Subscribers that he uploaded on March 7, 2014. He made a challenge to viewers to post how many subscribers they currently have and how many they plan to have a year from now. This is a good example of how MrBeast uses the power of journaling to keep track of his success. In that video, MrBeast has 819 subscribers and plans to have around 5,000 to 6,000 a year from March 7, 2014. In another interesting video, he reveals how much money he makes. Here is where he posts a screenshot showing that it took him 74,942 views, 637 subscribers and 135,647 minutes of watch time to bring in his first $100.19.
It took me 75,000 views to make my first $100 off of YouTube.
At that time he was averaging about $30 a month. In another video he gives advice on what it takes to be a full-time YouTuber. He says to make sure you're original, creative and have good quality content. He also says to make videos that you would like to watch. If you would like to watch your own videos, then it's likely other people will want to watch them too. You need to have about 30 million views per year, which would bring in an estimated $60,000 per year to make a living on YouTube. If you would like to study all of the MrBeast videos in detail, please see the link in the description to the playlist. Take a look at them and perhaps you can learn a thing or two that will help your channel out. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.